How to embed Facebook page to a website. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can embed your Facebook page to your website. So before we begin, if you guys are new to BB, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step you'll need to take is open up your Facebook. So let's first head over to our profile, let it load, and there we go. So when you're on your profile, you should find uh, everything on your profile here. There you can see different stuff. What we'll need to do is head over to another website. Now the website will be listed in the description down below, so you don't have to remember it. So you'll need to head over to developers.facebook.com. Now this is a page plugin which you can use to plug in your page into another websites. So here you can see the href in which you will need to put in your URL of your profile. So I'll just copy this, come back here and paste it. After you do that, you'll then need to choose which tabs you want. So if you want to upload your timeline here, you can choose the timeline option. You can also choose the width and other options such as height. You can then tap on the get code option. Tap on get code and then you'll find this JavaScript SDK. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and copy this code and use it in your website's code. You'll need to add it as an HTML in your HTML page. So just go ahead and paste it, and this is the iframe tag as well, which you will need to use. And yeah, it's the same process. Just go ahead and add these code in your HTML, and then your problem should be fixed and you'll have embedded your Facebook into your website. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.